Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch this video several times. Today's topic is the US and Russia. Friends, enemies, or something else. The relationship between the United States and Russia is one of the most complex and talked about in modern international politics. It's filled with history, tension, cooperation, rivalry, and uncertainty. But why is that? Let's take a look back. During World War II, the US and the Soviet Union were allies fighting against Nazi Germany. But shortly after the war ended in 1945, their friendship quickly turned into a power struggle. This began the Cold War, a period that lasted for more than 40 years. During that time, both nations competed for global influence, built up massive nuclear arsenals, and supported opposing sides in conflicts around the world. The Cold War officially ended in 1991 when the Soviet Union collapsed and became the Russian Federation. For a short time, the relationship between the US and Russia improved. They worked together on issues like arms control, space exploration, and international security. But this cooperation didn't last long. Tensions began rising again in the 2000s. Disagreements over NATO expansion, wars in the Middle East, cyber attacks, election interference, and the invasion of Ukraine in 2014 and again in 2022 have brought back a lot of Cold War-style mistrust. Today, the relationship between the US and Russia is often described as adversarial, but still cooperative in certain areas. They are not officially enemies, but they're definitely not close friends either. They continue to talk, negotiate, and compete, and their actions affect the whole world. So, are they friends? Not really. Enemies? Maybe not officially. Something else? Most likely yes. Thanks so much for watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video, because it's super important for mastering English and learning about American culture. And don't forget to like and share this video to help us grow and make even better content for you. See you in the next adventure.